Hello there, welcome to another episode from Divine Arts and IT Tech Solutions. Okay, so today we are going to try and find our misplaced phones or missing phones, or we are going to try and protect our phones we are currently using. So without wasting much time, we just go to our Google settings. Okay, if you don't have it, you can go to Play Store and download it. Just 3 megabyte, but normally most phones have it pre-installed. Okay, so you just open Google settings, open it, open the Google settings on the top. I'm facing a bit of network challenge, so pardon me for the slow network. Okay, so you can see it loading now. Now we have it here. You go down, you go to security. Okay, then you go to find my device. Okay, make sure your location is on. You can download Find My Device app on Play Store so that in case any day you lose it, any person's phone, you can download it. It's just 2 megabytes and you just search for it. Or you can just go to Google and type in Find My Device. Okay, anyway, which works for you. Okay, then you open it. So let's go back. Let's see my phone is missing and I want to locate it on a different phone. So let's take it as if this is a different phone. Okay. You pardon me. I don't have a different phone here to try it with, but it will still work though. Okay, so I'll continue as Divine. That's the email I use for the phone. Okay. Okay. No worry, let me type in my password. I don't think anyone is going to use this for anything. I'll change it afterwards. If anyone was looking at it. Okay, so I sign in. Okay, I allow it. Okay, so we have 3 main buttons: play sound, secure device, and erase device. First, you can see the device location here. You can tap on the phone. They are saying it's in my hand. It's 30%. The battery is 30%. So if I extract the phone's location right now. Okay, I can also play a sound if in case I can't find. Okay, so in case maybe you couldn't, it's still in your room and you can't find it, you can just go through your room. You'll be not able to find it. Just tap on this, it will play a sound on it and you can locate it. Okay, let's go back. You can secure device. If your device is in the wrong hand, you can secure it so that the person cannot be able to open it and use it. You enter your password and you confirm it as well. Okay, and the final approach, that's the last resort. Okay, maybe you have something important on it, you don't want anyone to get access to it, you just come to erase device. Oh, sorry. Okay, come to erase device. But since the phone is in my hand, you see the last approach is not even answering for me. Okay, so let me see if I put the phone down right now, it will still show in my hand. Okay, yeah, I'm still touching the phone, so that's why it was great. But that's the main purpose. If your device gets anywhere, use this. Without the app or not, you can still access it. Okay, you can even zoom in to access it well. You can zoom in. Okay, so it's pointing to Agbina Suede Room. That's my current location. Let me see if I can use a satellite view. Okay, I can't. Agbina Suede Room. I would really love it if it was a satellite. Okay, so that's the basic thing. I hope you didn't find it difficult. If you have any problem trying it, you comment in the comment section, and if I see a border around it, I'll try and answer your question in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Once again, I want you to tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified on all our videos we bring out. And I've told you, I don't know, most of you didn't read the description, but as soon as this page hits 100 subscribers, we are going to start learning graphic design with the mobile phone. So let's get sharing. Share the link to all of your friends, your co-workers, your relatives, and let's promote this channel. Thank you once more. Bye bye.